Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to turn on signals on new Microsoft Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Edge browser. Then having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this provide icon, and this is going to drop down. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on here to choose an account. If you have a multiple Microsoft account, choose any one you would like to use. So by default, I'm going to use this. And if you don't have an account before, what you need to do is to simply come down below right here and click on set up a new personal profile. Then fill up your detail and create an account. But I have an account with Microsoft account already. So what I need to do is to simply sign in to synchronize my data across Microsoft Edge browser. And for you to do that, simply click on sign in to synchronize data. And this is going to pump up. Then the next thing we want to do here is to simply enter our Microsoft account password. Okay. So I'm going to simply enter my password. Having entered your password, next thing you need to do is to come down below here and click on sign in. And in a few seconds, it's going to connect and you will be in successfully. It's as simple as that. So with that, your data, your password, everything is going to be synchronized across Edge browser. It's as simple as that. So by the time you come to the top right here and click on here, you see that you have fully turned on your synchronize. Then you can simply come here and then do the proper setup. For you to do that, simply click on settings right here and you will be taken right here. Then you can simply come to the synchronize right here, click on this icon and you have it right here. Your rights, you can turn it on. Your settings, you can turn it on. Personal info, you can turn it on. Then your password detail across the Edge browser, you can turn it on. Then your history, review the web history, you can turn it on. This is depends on how you want your data to be synchronized. If you don't want your data to be synchronized by any of these, what you need to do is to simply turn them off one after the other. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply sign in to synchronize your data in Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.